Right. Hello. So I think this is question 15. So let me just double check of the exam practice medley. Oh no, sorry. Question 18. Okay. So we got four forces, and only one that we don't know is that we need to calculate the horizontal component of the equilibrium force E. Okay. So what that equilibrium refer to is that all of the horizontal component add together should equal to 0. Okay, otherwise, whatever this force acting on the object is going to start to move, because one force or one component is particularly bigger than the other. So because its equilibrium is not moving, then it's balanced. So it's all the horizontal force components should always equal to 0. Okay, so there are four forces, therefore there should be four horizontal components. So let's start with this one. I'm interested in the direction of it first. Okay, so for the force to go that way, you need the horizontal component to go across that way first and then go up. Okay, so this horizontal component for this 26 Newton is going to go that way. Okay, so let's look at the 8 Newton. Well, from here to get to here, I would need the horizontal component to go across that way and then down. So again, the second horizontal component is also going to go that way. Okay, so if you like, you can call that way positive and that's negative. So in a moment, those answers you're going to work out is going to give me the force. So and then if I look at this one here, so to get that, the horizontal component for this component is going to go across and then down. Now the horizontal component is going to go left, and then now finally this equilibrium ones is going from here to here, so I need to travel horizontally that way and then up that way. So therefore my other component is going to be that way. So these two components, I can consider them as being the negative. Okay, so or you could, this is my much preferred method, is that you could say that the sum of this component is equal to the sum of these two components. That may be easiest. That saves you dealing with negative values. Okay, so let's start with this side first. Okay, so all the horizontal component pointing to the right. So we need to solve this one first. So 26 Newton. So if I just do one first, so if this is 26 Newton and they gave us this 20 degree, so what is the horizontal component equal to then? Well, is it sin, cos, or tan? Well, it can't be tan because it's not opposite and adjacent. It's involve hypotenuse and adjacent, so that's going to be cos. So therefore it's going to be 26 cos 20. Add, and then this one is 70 is 8 newtons that way. This is the hypotenuse. This is the right angle. The horizontal component is again an adjacent because the angle is 70 here. So it's adjacent again. So it's cos. So so it's going to be plus 8 cos 70, and that should equal to the underside. Okay, so that's going to be 60. So I'm not going to draw this. I'm just going to go 32, and that's the right angle. So therefore this is the adjacent. So it's again cos. So it's going to be so remember, cos is soccer ka CAH, and if you're looking for the adjacent, you times the cos and the hypotenuse together. So adjacent, we're trying to find the adjacent, so it's going to be 32 cos 60. So it's going to equal to 32 cos 60 add E cos theta. This is the horizontal component, which is what we're trying to find. So if we throw this one to that side, so we can rewrite that E cos theta, which is the horizontal component, all of this is the horizontal component, is equal to 26 cos 20 plus 8 cos 70, however, is minus 32 cos 60. Okay, so so put that in a calculator. That will give us the answer for E cos theta, which is the horizontal component. So 26 cos 20, close the bracket before you add. So this is where you might get syntax error if you don't close the bracket. And then minus 32 cos 60. 11.168, which will give me 11.17 to 2 decimal place Newton. So that's it. And that's 4 marks. Is that right? 11.17 Newton. So quite easy, this one. If you are familiar with your trigonometry, I think definitely no reason why you couldn't score 4 marks. Okay, well, that's it. Thank you.